Hi, good day, everyone. Our topic for today will be about comprehensive marketing plan and disclaimer. To our point of view, adding a discussion is all about leadership role or the directorship itself. First, we have the executive summary, opening section of the marketing plan that presents a summary of the main goals and recommendations to be presented in the plan. And again, there are four factors that you need to write, or there are four sections in your marketing plan that needs to be written and needs to be considered. First of all, we have the policies and procedure, tanang particulars, tanang guest journey, service sequence, tanang gagmay nga detalye nakabutang diha. Why? Para guided tanan. Next, we have um, the dry run, of course, if policies and procedure is already signed by the director or there's a go signal from the upper management, of course, a imuhang team, a imuhang division or department mag-conduct a dry run. Why? Para makita if doable ba ang kaninga policies and procedure if you are writing or ang PNP ninyo diha is all about um, operations. Kana. Next, we have the P&L, profit and loss. Tanang sumada sa inyong gipalit nga material and equipment and even bayad sa pag-outsource itaw, if need mag-outsource itaw, it should be listed. Okay? Next is the um, cost estimation. And of course, sa final phase, cost estimation, before mo mag-implement sa usa ka product or let's say marketing effort diha, nang-unvas gid mo, dili kay usa ka supplier ang inyong gikuha. Why? Pwede mo ma-question ana. Same with the public sector or the government. If naay project buhaton, naay mga bidder. Okay? Naay supplier. So there is a tool industry. If you're a leader already, a director or a manager, if mag-conduct or mag-outsource mo or namoy materials na paliton, dapat na ay quotation gikan sa nagkadaiyang supplier. For number two, we have the current market situation. Target market and the company's position in it. We're talking about the movement of your guests or of the people inside the market, movement of your competitors. Nganong ang mga guests padung Manila and dili nato. We're offering the same products and services with the other establishments, but why does people adto man dito dili man nato? Maybe they're adding some value na wala na to nahibaw-an nga mao na din na ilang gibuhat. And of course, katong the example nako last week nga, for you to know what the situation inside the market, you need to conduct actual or physical market research. Okay? What is a physical or actual market research? For example, ako imong general manager, ikaw akong director, or ikaw ako ang manager, I will be calling you out, inyong tika or tagang instruction or a directive nga, okay, check in ani nga hotel or resort. And to ka dito focus sa ilahang, let's say for example, food and beverage. So kinahanglan buhaton. Number one, ask questions sa ilang mga staff. But you need to be very careful. Para dili ka mahibaw-an nila nga you are doing a a physical market research. Okay? Unsa may goal na to, ano, unsa may purpose. Simply para makahibaw ka unsa ilang mga best practices dito. Ilang promotions. Unsa may gipangbuhat nila nganong ang mga tao padung Manila og dili na to. Alright, next, number three. We have opportunities and issue analysis. All of us are familiar with SWOT analysis. SWOT, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Now, tanang naa sa imuhang competitor nga wala ninyo as a business, you can use that as your strength. Why? Need man na to sila palabuan para ang mga guest makuha na to. Diba? And also, talking about running an operation, you as a director, you as a leader or a manager, you need to be visible in the operation. Why? You need to give morale. You need to boost the morale of your team members. Aron makaingon sad sila ba? Lo, visible ato mga manager, oh, visible ato ang mga director, buhat tas insakto, trabaho tas insakto, trabaho gani sila, hands-on gani sila, kita pa ba? Di ba? Why nga naman nga ang mga managers and directors dapat ma-involve sa operation? It's because ana nga time makahibaw sad sila. Okay. Mao day ni gikinahanglan sa operation, mao ni gikinahanglan sa akong mga tao. For example, ana result. Now it happened to us as well during my tenure with this particular resort. Why? Perting inita sa resort. And then ang mga staff dito, if maatubang nimo medyo gipang kapoy, gipang laay nga naman identify namo nga wala day sila protective gears, heat protective gears like unsa man beach hat kana. So what the company did, unsay gibuhat sa among directors or managers, nag-provide og beach hat para at least na protection gikan sa init ug adlaw. Kana. And then what happened? Di balik ra po dito sa ang benefit, di balik ra po dito sa mga trabahante o sa resort itself. Nindo to review. Nga naman, aligned tanan. Sa una, mabuhat sa init ipagkapoy. Karon buwad lagi gapon sa init pero at least na protection, na beach shot, o di ba? Mas alerto, mas attentive ang mga staff. Wala na gipang kapoy. Next, objectives. All of us, we have different objectives in life. Now, coming to school, for example, of course, you guys have your own personal objective. Diba? May uban siguro dinhi for the sake maka-graduate. Same na ako. Palit ako gusto nila, ganahan ko mag-graduate kaya para makadiploma na ko. Kana. And also, ari sa ato ang industry, if you are running a division or a department, you need to set your vision, mission, and goal. You need to set your objective. Why? Okay, walay business nga ganahan nga 5 years ra sa market, 10 years ra sa market. Of course, we're talking about success in a long way. Long-term success, kumbaga. Now, talking about long-term success, you need also to remember that the only thing that could hinder a company or a hotel or resort or restaurant success kay duha ra gyud nakabutang. Number one, mga tao. Manpower, imuhang mga staff. Kung nonchalant na tanan, most likely mahitabuan na mareklamuhan og daghang guest. Manirado kito bati na kay reputation. But if ang mga staff nimo, if you hire the right people for your business, of course, that can be along with proper training, manana, well, siguro success na agi ha, di ba? Kaya may uban nga hala sig training, uban manirado along the way. But if you hire the right people plus proper training pa gyud, every week na training, na refresher courses para sa mga staff. Of course, it can be um it can be like sa tawag nang pwede siya mahimong tool kumbaga towards long-term success. And also, ikaduha nga factor, competitors. Imo mga competitors ug ikaw mismo, magpalabuhan na igid mo, panindot na igid mo. Kaya naman, we want to reach, we nabi tay quota na dapat for this month ang ato ang target revenue dapat maka-exceed sa ato ang targeted or nakaset nga revenue. For example, for this month 5 million. O di ba? Palabuhan na igid ta, labuhan na to ang uban para mahit na to atong 5 million nga quota diha. And remember guys, the more halin, the more revenue, the more profit, it means the more SC, the more service charge on top sa inyong sweldo. Number five, we have the marketing strategy. Consists of specific strategies for target markets, marketing mix, and marketing expenditure levels. Naidaghan marketing strategy. We have tactical, strategic, targeted marketing as well. So on and so forth. Always remember, para dili ta redundant, dili masayang ang oras, effort, ug panahon nato if ever mag-conduct or maghimo na ta sa ato ang marketing strategy. Remember, para ka kinsa man nga marketing effort. Okay? Market segmentation, kumbaga. Kani nga marketing effort para nis mga bata. So ato ang himuon, target nato na customers para sa mga bata. But remember, mga bata dili man sila magpalit, ang parents man. Okay? Now, adto ta sa mga adults. Kani nga marketing effort, kani nga marketing strategy para ni sa mga adults, para sa mga parents, or kinsa pa na diha, teenagers, Gen Zs, kinsa pa na, para na nila. Nganong i-offer man nato ang marketing or nganong i-provide man nato sa mga bata ang marketing strategy nato gikan sa mga adult? Nonsense, di ba? Doesn't make sense. Okay? Now, highlight po nato expenditure levels. And doing a marketing strategy and writing a marketing strategy, ayaw kalimut niya, mao ni projected expenditures. And projected butang nakadiha. Now, projected pa man means projected a bit of being unsure kung pila jud total ang magasto diha sa inyong marketing strategy. Okay? Now, since projected man na, reviewed by your director, reviewed by your GM, okay, mo din ni projected marketing expenditure level. Mo ni projected na gastuhan. So okay, I think doable ra ni para sa ato ang budget kay gamay ram ni dakong tag budget. Now, nag-conduct na ta o nag-outsource na ta diha na malita tag materials and equipment i-compare sa nato. Igo pa ba napabay sobra ato ang budget kay ngano ang ato ang budget dili ba na budget for this month only. Ang ihatag sa usa ka division or department is budget for the entire year. That's why if ikaw naghimo ani nga marketing plan, you need to be very, very careful aside sa ubang factors na naguna. Also, marketing expenditures. Action programs. Section sets out what will be done, when, by whom, and how much will be spent doing it. For example, nag-dry run naman ta. Now, sa atong dry run, nakita na to nga, okay, dili siya doable sa operation. Dili siya doable para sa ato ang mga staff. It's because lisod dili tanan maayo or likon og communication skills. So atong i-dissect para mas mo fit in siya or mas dali siya para sa mga tao sa operations. Kaya nga remember, ang team members nga naa sa operation, guest facing, maunay mo provide sa service. And if ever sila magkalisod, adto na mo epekto sa ato ang reputation as a whole, kumbaga. Kay ang uban diri kuha kay nila ang gidriran, kuha kayo ang service sequence or journey nato diha. Walang uban naglisod. Nya ang guest mo ingon, labi na Pinoy. Kay ngano, mga foreigner, way problema. Okay ra na, bahalag nagkalisod kag istorya diha. Okay ra na, importante kag sinabot ta. Pero Pinoy ra jud maoy judgmental. Programmer lang ka, Pinoy jud. Kuan man, di mo na siya kamo istorya. Kana. Pero foreigner, importante ka sinabot ta, then we're good to go. Kana. Now, how much will be spent doing it? Of course, and again, katuna sa P&L, dapat projected expenditure kumbaga nato. Pila may gastuhan na nato ani. But we're talking about the final phase of the expenditure level. Kumbaga, nakasat na nakakuha na tag supplier kinsa na ni nakadaog sa bidding na nakanay kakuha. Of course, ikaw nga naghimuan na sa imong marketing plan na nakay supplier nakuha, pwede gihapon ka makig-negotiate. It is still quite applicable para nimo tan-aw mo mahal ram gid nila. Yan na-mention naman din ako sa operations. Ayaw kauwaw pangutana, ayaw kauwaw pakig-negotiate sa inyong mga supplier nga server na I know nga naagrihan na nato ning presyo but pwede ta mag-adjustment sir ni Joe. Kilid man jud ni kanang gamay mi kung maapektuhan gid mong budget ani hindi mo kabayad ba wala na gud. Kaya we're talking about B2B, business to business. You are bringing your business to another business. And those people behind that particular business, they're bringing their business to you. B2B, kumbaga. So never be afraid asking repricing or free quotation of the materials na imuhang paliton gikan nila. Projected profit and loss marketing budget section of the plan shows projected revenues, costs, and profits or surpluses. P&L, pilay ginansya, pilay halin nato diri versus losses nato, pilay lugi nato, kumbaga. Losses, wala na nagpasabot nga pilay lugi gid nato, okay? But losses gani, pilay ato ang gipuhunan pud at the same time. Nya pila po'y return nato. Pila ang return of investment. Kumbaga, everything should be listed. Bisan pag by 5 centavos na, dapat na diha listed tanan. Lastly, we have controls. This outlines the control measures that will be used to monitor progress. Controls, kumbaga, kung arito sa tao, ang tanan kay gigraduhan based sa ilang performance. Now, if we are doing operations, we're handling operations, we're providing products and services, dapat na agapay control. Continuous evaluation, kumbaga. Need na to evaluate, dili lang kay ang tao, but also ang ato ang product. Click pa ba siya? Mura ra gud na og natag F&B. iniguman sa ikatulo nga paak or after sa ilang third bite sa ilahang main course, mutuol ang server, mutuol ang waiter diha mangutana, "How was the food, ma'am? How was the food, sir?" Kay possibly dugay na nato nag-i-offer, mayong tala bestseller ni namo, and then ang ubang mga guest mayong ra, "Ay, okey ra, sakto lang." Nya nganong sa una ug mangutana tag ubang tao, guest din na mangaon, "Ma'am, how was the food?" "Oh, it's very yummy. It's very sumptuous." 'Di ba? Lahi-lahi kumbaga. Now, if ingunana na ang expression or ingunana ang feedback gikan sa tao, then why not? Evaluate nato. Talk to your executive chef, talk to the chef diha sa imong kitchen, and then mao ni feedback sa mga tao. I think there must be something wrong, or if dili man is something wrong, I think it's time to enhance the flavor, enhance the product that we're offering to them. All right, controls. Thank you for listening. Now we have the marketing implementation. It is the process that turns marketing plans into marketing actions to accomplish strategic marketing objectives. Now for the marketing implementation, kaninga phase, diri na nato gibuhat or diri na nato i-conduct tanang gisuwat nato sa marketing plan. Ang service sequence gi-deliver or gi-distribute na dito sa ato ang mga guest, or tanan na mga products diha na inyuhang na conceptualize turn to be a physical product ato anang gi-offer.